to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a graph on Google Sheets. I'm going to do my graph about toys, and it's going to be, the title will be favorite toys. Toys. And after, down here, we'll write number of people. And over here we'll write the toy's name, Nerf guns, Lego, and Rubik's Cube. I surveyed 15 people, 5 people like Nerf guns, 4 people like Lego, and 6 people like Rubik's Cube. And here, after you highlight this now. You press enter, and I'll do a circle graph, and it's a pie chart, and I'll now change the title since it's not called number of people, it's called kids' favorite toys. And there you go. Here's how you make a graph on Google Sheets. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and smash the like button.